In this video, I'll show you how to create a realistic lens reflection effect inside DaVinci Resolve. Start by selecting your clip in the timeline, then open the Fusion page. In the node editor, select the Media In one node, hold Shift and Space, then search for Merge. Add it to your node tree. Next, click in an empty area of the node editor to deselect everything, hold Shift and Space again, and search for Lens Reflections. Add the Lens Reflections node to your composition. Now, connect the output of the Lens Reflections node to the green background input of the Merge node, and connect the Media In one node to the yellow foreground input. Then, connect the output of the Merge node to Media Out 1 so you can preview the effect. With the Lens Reflections node selected, open the inspector at the top right. Under the Preset dropdown, choose Prism. This gives you a nice, natural-looking reflection effect. From here, you can experiment with the available parameters such as color, brightness, or distortion to match the overall tone and lighting of your scene. Once you're happy with the look, play back the result to make sure it blends smoothly with your footage. And that's it! That's how you can easily add a realistic lens reflection effect in DaVinci Resolve.